Hi, we're going to assemble the canvas kit by Build Together. The first step is to set out the outer part and open the hinge on each corner. You're going to open it and you're going to hear it lock into place. There's the lock. You just pull this one out. And the next step is going to be to attach the two loose corners. You're going to put 2 screws in each corner and they go into the pre-drilled holes. So for the last step, you're going to insert the 2 middle support bars. They line up with these brackets, they're already in here. And then you're just going to screw them in from the back like this. So you'll put 2 screws on the top and the bottom of each one. And once these are attached, you're ready to stretch your canvas.